The whole front end is bent, and what we're trying to do is pull it and get it straight where our doors and our front fits. A little more to your left. When we're pulling here, we don't allow anybody to come in front of this. On the frame machine, you have to hold your bus, resist it, and then you come with the towers in front and pull it. And there's still the time factor. You still have to move all the electrical, all of the air system. This is the front cap. We'll have to cut out the hole for the windshield. We can be working here and one of my co-workers needs to put in windshield, and then we'll stop what we're doing. This one, the whole dash has to come out. Once the bus leaves, we're pretty excited, and we want that bus just like it was. We make it look easy.